Welcome to this very special introduction of Sueltenfuss Library's new search tool at Our Lady of the Lake University. To discover the library's books, articles, movies, and more, go to the library's homepage at library.ollusa.edu. One search allows you to search for the library's print and online collections. We will perform a sample search demonstrating how you can find reliable resources for your classes, as well as popular resources such as books and movies for your leisure. You can simply type in any keywords and hit enter to bring up search results. Leaving the default filters to everything will bring up results for all materials regardless of their format. To search specifically for journal articles, you can select the filter for articles. The same applies to books and media for movies or music. If you're searching from off-campus, you can log in first for direct access to full-text content. If you do not log in first, you will be prompted to log in later. Let's perform a sample search for trauma therapy. We'll examine the first few results. The first title, Cultural Competence in Trauma Therapy, is a book that the library has both as an ebook and as a physical book in the library. You can tell that there's an ebook version due to the blue View ebook icon, and that there's a physical copy at the library due to the availability information below it. The green check mark saying that it's available in the Sueltenfuss Library stacks means that nobody else has it checked out right now. The second result is available as an ebook, and the third result is just a print book. The result, titled Trauma Reports, is a journal the library carries. Let's click the Access Journal icon for more options. We are directed to publication details for that journal, where we can select a year to drop down the issues published for that date. This is helpful if you know which issue you want. However, to search for any article using keywords in any issue of the Trauma Reports journal, you can select Search within this publication. Going back to our one search results, we can apply filters located on the left-hand side of the screen. For example, if we only wanted to display journal article results, we have a couple of options here. I clicked the article filter to only display journal article results. To go directly to the full text of the article, you can click the View Full Text icon. From here, you can read the article in its entirety, or you can download using the Download PDF option. By playing around with the filters on the search screen, you will further refine the search to yield results more relevant to your needs. To remove a filter that we've previously selected, we can click the X under the selected filters next to that filter. We are now back to our original search results. If we wanted to view additional details about an item before accessing the publication itself, we can click on the title. Because this book is available both online and in print, we can see the online version comes from the PsychBooks database. If you wanted to request a hold on the print book, click Place Hold, and the library staff will put it on the shelves and hold it at the circulation desk until you're able to come to the library to check it out. This has been a high-level introduction to the new OneSearch feature from Sueltenfuss Library. Familiarizing yourself with this research tool now will give you a leg up on your studies and research needs. For questions or help using our resources or finding materials online, you can chat with us via the link on the search result page or from our homepage at the bottom of the screen. You can also contact us via the contact information located at the bottom of the library's homepage at library.ollusa.edu. On behalf of the library staff at Our Lady of the Lake University, happy searching!